Yeah, I'm dripping junket. How you all doing? I'm Ralfy here, Ralphy's Reviews, Team Knucklehead. Today we're going to look at the Culverin style RDA by the Broadside people, BJ Box Mods, whatever they're called, not sure. Actually it's written on the base, we'll see in the close-up. Fucking hell, yeah, what an... I was going to say what an innovation, but it's not a new idea. It's got a great deck, it's got great airflow, it's really fucking good RDA in my humble opinion. Let me have a quick vape. It's got a couple of really nice features that make a lot of difference to it. Again, which we'll see in the close-up. And it matches wonderfully with the Broadside and Admiral mods, because it's made by the same people. It's 25mm, the same size as the Broadside Admiral and the Duster mod, obviously, as you can see with my shiny example there. So it all fits together very well. It's a 2-post deck, loads of room for whatever coil you want to put in. Massive fucking post holes, and again they're unique. The shape of the post holes is unique, as you'll see in the close-up. You notice it's got this bottom section, if the camera will pick it up. Let's block me out of the way. This with a name on. That's fancy, and I'll show you why. It unscrews and you can hybrid it straight on to a Broadside or an Admiral, much like the Sublime Innovations Shorties, etc. A lot of their mods to RDAs feature that, and it's fucking great. I mean, look at that. Look how short it makes the fucking setup. It's a right dinky little fucking thing. And by fuck, does it deliver? That was nearly fucking dry. Let me have a drip. The airflow's adjustable, and if I was gonna find or nitpick, I'd say it could be a bit more airy for me. The main reason being that I build really fucking low, and I've not got a huge lung capacity, so I take short, deep hits. I need plenty of air to get plenty of vapour. If it's too tight a draw, I simply can't fucking drag it in, to be fair. That said, that's about on the limit. If it was any tighter, I wouldn't enjoy it, but I do. And you can turn it and the deck blocks it off, so you can dial the fucker in to where you want it to be. It comes with this tapered... It's not focusing. Oh, there you go. It comes with this tapered fucking drip tip. Yeah? Oh, it looks like it's wearing that. But I've changed it to one of our low profile ones on this. There you go. Just I like how it fucking looks, basically. And by fuck, does it deliver? Yeah? They're fucking proper mate up well with the Broadside or the Admiral, because that's what they're designed to do, and they really fucking work well on your regular 25mm mod, like the Duster. Fucking bob on. Let's go in close, have a look, and talk a little bit more. I'll see you in a minute. So here you go. Comes in this natty fucking plastic tube, which always make me laugh, you know. The packaging is minimal, which I like, because they're easy to send through the post, and you're not buying it for the fucking box. Let's get in there. It's fucking tight. Bear with. I'm going to throw it everywhere, so I'll open it carefully, as they say in Wales. Shake him out, boss. There you go. So obviously you get your spares package, you get your Allen key for doing the business, which is poking its way out the bag. You get a few O-rings, you get contact screws, and really importantly is you get this 510 pin silver fucking plated, and believe me, it makes a fucking difference. It really does. So first job, fucking put that in, yeah? Whip the standard one out that's in there. Let's have this out of the bag. And change it up. See, as standard, they have this brass one, which is fair enough. A broadside on the bottom there, look. Lovely jubilee and a serial number, but it is styled, so take that with a pinch of salt. Let's see if I can get the fucking... No. Let's put it on a mod and pull the fucking cap off. We'll look at the interesting bits. There you fucking go. Boom. So, as you can see, the bottom section I showed you stays put 'cause it's on the thread, obviously. It covers the thread that lets you hybrid it, where it will go straight in to the top of a broadside or an Admiral. Look. And we're in there, look. Fucking stellar. Really fucking clever. Tighten it right down. Fucking get your airflow where you want it. And the jobs are fucking good and you're away. Super. So, that aside, because you might not have a broadside or an Admiral. Let's put that back on. Another thing worth mentioning is you could use it to line up your logos, because you can back it off a little bit and then take the slack up with that ring to lock your RDA down on your device. And then you're just where you fucking want to be. So, another good point. Here's what I really like. Look at these fucking post holes. Not only are they fucking massive with proper grub screws, but they're teardropped. Meaning whatever size wire you use will find its way to the bottom of that hole and get tightened down nicely. You ain't got to worry about wires falling either side or fucking not sitting even or any of that shit. It just fucking does it. And by fuck it does it. You've got a solid copper fucking positive post. And if you change the 510 up to the silver plated one, you know it's going to fucking do the business. And by fuck it does. You know. These aren't too far apart. You can get a decent build in with a little bit of pre-bend. Look at the state of that, look. It's a bit grubby. Because I've been vaping it all day. Little bit of pre-bend on your legs, like you'll see if you scroll down my channel. There's a tutorial on that. And you're away. And you can set the coils right down low, in the middle, high. You know, there's enough room under this top cap to get them sitting just where you fucking want them. Okay? There's a nice fucking plenty of air in the old chamber. And you've got your 810 drip tip that comes with it. So you can use one of the plethora of fucking aftermarket ones. As I showed, I've got my low profile, one of our low profiles on this one, and it fucking does it. Sits well, does the business, fucking looks the tits in my opinion. So you can fuck about with it a bit and get just how you want it. Once you get that in place, you've got that airflow there that marries up with that. So you can dial it in. I have it wide open because, again, as I said, I run low builds. I've not got great lungs, unfortunately. So I need a good fucking blast and I need it fucking quick. I ain't got fucking the strength to fucking be drawing on it like a fucking $10 hooker. I need a fucking kick in the bollocks when I have a vape, and that's exactly what this fucking delivers. Wonderful, wonderful bit of kit. Really well finished. Straight out the box, or the fucking tub, or whatever you want to call it. It's clean. It doesn't smell of oil. There's no swarf in there. The insulator's fucking sound. The 510's sound. The threads are fucking sweet. It fits in the fucking broadside or the Admiral with no fucking dramas, and makes a lovely, lovely combination. So, it's great. There you go. Let's go back up top. And we'll have a bit of another vape and talk about it a little bit more. Yeah? I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, so there you go. I mean, there's nothing groundbreaking about it. It's got very, very fucking similar to the sub-ohm shorty fucking RDA that came with the mods. The There's a few improvements over that, in my opinion. Those fucking post holes with a teardrop fucking shape, man. Wow. They fucking do it. They really do. The silver 510, the way that you can use it on anything and it's not obtrusive. You know, that with a ring on there is fucking fine. It's quite acceptable. It don't make it fugly, does it? But if you mate it up with a fucking broadside or an Admiral, by fuck, it's that lovely. I've got a black one indoors. It's a proper stealthy little setup. Because it's just fucking tiny. You know, it's fucking... It's small, isn't it? Like, it's nearly buried in my hand. Good bobber. I like it. I like it a fucking lot. Could do with a little bit more airflow for me, but it's fine. Honestly, it's fucking fine. It is a winner-winner chicken fucking dinner, and you will be on that steam train to fucking Flavour Town. So, the Culverin styled RDA, fucking great. Love them. They're a huge fucking seller, and for good reason, I reckon. They're great on any 25mm up fucking device that you want to use it on, especially a broadside or a fucking Admiral. They really fucking work well. So there you go. It's another one. Thanks for watching. Do you like me out? It's fucking cold. It says twat in a t-shirt. It's fucking free. It's fucking snowing. You can't see this shit. It's fucking snowing. I'm sat in a fucking room full of fucking glass looking out at the fucking snow, you bastard. Fucking freezing me little fucking Barbara Windsor's off. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you all again soon. Remember people, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. Which do you choose, yeah? Big love. See you later.